So the outbound call centers may be of two parts or maybe of two types. The outbound calls may be B2B or B2C. Sometimes the call centers calls to business itself, the business from business to business, and sometimes from business to consumer. As we've taken a number of examples are business to consumer, and few sometimes what happens is they have to call to businesses again, like to the suppliers or maybe to some other business partners all the time, maybe to clients, for example, by various software companies. So this kind of times it is from business to business. Sometimes it is, of course, many times it is from business to consumer, so B2C. And management of functioning of call center. There are five important areas that are found to be very important in managing the functioning of call center. Call center management, right? So for managing this call center, there are five important areas. What are they? Accessibility. The customers should be able to reach the products and services of the company easily. That is accessibility. So for example, you can see the customer care number and each and every product, or at least product packaging, so that they are making it available to the customers to access the customer care number. And second one is personal interaction with customer. The call center should be all the time interactive with customers. The call centers should make the customers to realize that they are highly taken care by the organizations. For that, the organization needs to call the customers all the time. For example, if you buy a mobile, even after delivering the product also, they'll call you and ask like, what do you feel about this product? How it is delivered to you? Is it in a good condition? Or are you facing any such problem? So that is the interactive session which is done by the organization. So that is how this personal interaction is also important. And prompt response is important. It should not be like I'll cheat the customer and I'll skip for this time. There should be no skipping. Immediate actioning is necessary. Immediate action is to be taken, and the action which is taken should be accurate, which makes the customer to satisfy. But it should not be like I'll do something and I'll tell something so that the customer will neglect it for now, and maybe we'll check it again for the next time. It should not be in that way, right? So prompt response is important. And proper follow up is also important. Proper follow up. So once the customer called, for example, if you call to Tata Sky, like there is something problem with your maybe TV set or maybe with their device, but you are unable to get the channels. So you may contact the customer call center, or you may contact the customer care or customer support team. So they will send a representative from their side And again they'll call you, like whether our customer care representative or maybe our representative came to you or no. And once he reach, is it completed, are you satisfied with this, so how much you have paid to the representative or the service team, so everything they will ask. That is the follow up, right? That is very important to satisfy the customer. And I told you five areas, no? The fifth one is first, contract resolution. So the customer care departments have to solve the queries as early as possible. Maybe they have to aim at solving the problems or answering the queries in a single call. But the customer should not call many times to solve a single problem. The customer should be resolved, the customer's problem should be resolved in the first contact itself, so that the customer will be satisfied and the call center can be effective, right? So this is all about call center management. Thank you.